This is a Mark IV model working wood stove. I'm going to show you how I made this, show you how it works, and show you how you can make your own. And this, you don't have to burn wood in here. You can burn almost any fuel source, charcoal, wood, trioxane, wax pellets, whatever your combustion medium is. And it's called a Mark IV because it's a prototype, and this is the fourth one. And it's real simple, and I'll show you how it works. And you can see by my hand how big it is. And this is all scrap parts. Everything on my channel's made out of scrap parts. And of course you can recognize that this is made out of an empty can. And I got it attached to a base, bolted all together. I got an old cabinet hinge for the door hinge. My stove door is a lid off an old juice container. I got a homemade latch with the spring so I don't burn my hand when I'm using this, and it connects with a hanger for a curtain rod. Fits perfect. My underfire is an old valve with a washer. My overfire exhaust is a pipe threaded in with washer. I got markings on here for doing testing. Inside I got a log grate to keep the fuel off the bottom, get good airflow around it. And my door is all bolted together. It snaps tight, like so. Closes tight. No smoke is lost. And I was working out something on making small wood stoves, and I needed a prototype to look at a few things. And this design is a lot more efficient than an upright stove because you have more horizontal mass for your heat exchanger, so this will put out a lot more heat. And if you want to look at small stoves, I got all kinds of stuff on my channel, and I'll show you the bottom of this so you can see how that's hooked on. It's just all bolted. And anything you want to learn about combustion or small stoves, you can see and learn on my channel. Just check out my various videos. I hope you enjoyed this and found it entertaining. Please subscribe.